If you need to find distance between 2 points on a grid, there's two ways that we can do it. The first way is to use what's called the distance formula, and it has a reference to the coordinates of the points. Our 2 points here are A and B. A is at 1, 2, which I'll call my first point, so this is x1 and y1. And B is at 7, 6, which is my second point, so I'll call that x2 and y2. If we use our formula, we can substitute these values into their places. x2 is 7 minus x1 is 1. y2 is 6 minus y1 is 2. And we don't have any negatives on this problem, but if we did, you'd want to just be extra careful about your addition or subtraction. 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. This is following the order of operations here. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 squared is 36. 4 squared is 16. 36 plus 16 is going to give you 52. And if you take the square root of 52, you're going to get something very close to 7.2. So about 7.2 units. If we instead would like to use the Pythagorean theorem, we can. The Pythagorean theorem is a method that will work if you have right triangles. So what we can do is essentially create our own right triangle here. And what's nice about this is in the Pythagorean theorem, A and B are the legs of the right triangle, and we can find those lengths just by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down here for this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for this side. And I'm going to call this side B. I'm going to call this side A. So this would be 4 squared plus 6 squared equals, and the missing part that we're looking for in the Pythagorean theorem would be C. That's the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Well, 4 squared plus 6 squared, that's 16 and 36. Notice that these numbers are getting referenced again. That's going to be 52. And to cancel squaring a number, you take the square root. So if we take the square root of both sides, on this we'd get C, which I'm actually going to write on the left. And on the other one, square root of 52, which, as we know, is approximately equal to 7.2 units. Both work. This Pythagorean theorem is related to the distance formula. The distance formula is essentially the Pythagorean theorem with coordinates.